In the golden era of American muscle, horsepower numbers were never honest. Insurance companies, government rules, and racing regulations forced manufacturers to lie about how powerful their cars really were. Today, we uncover 5 legendary American muscle cars that were secretly way more powerful than their official rating. Let's begin. Chevy claimed the LS6 made 450 horsepower, but real dyno tests tell a different story. The LS6's massive 454 big block was easily crossing 500 horsepower right from the factory. This wasn't a car. It was a street-legal drag machine. It was so fast that many insurance companies refused to cover it. Ford deliberately underrated the Boss 429. Why? Because its massive semi-Hemi engine was built for NASCAR? This engine loved high RPM, and at full power, it made closer to 500 horsepower. The Boss 429 wasn't built for comfort, it was built to destroy racetracks. The 426 Hemi was a monster. Chrysler underrated it for TWO reasons. Lower insurance cost. To make it legal for street use, real-world tests show the Hemi Cuda easily made 470 to 490 horsepower in factory too. This car earned its nickname, the King of the Streets. The legendary 440 Magnum engine was massively underrated. With perfect tuning and cold air intake, these cars were hitting 440 to 450 horsepower. This is the reason that Charger dominated street racing in the late and 90s. The Ram Air 4 engine was a masterpiece. Pontiac downgraded the horsepower on paper, but the car's real performance said otherwise. Car magazines secretly tested it and got performance that matched 450 horsepower cars. The judge wasn't just fast, it embarrassed many so-called big horsepower cars. These cars didn't just hide horsepower, they created legends. They prove one thing. In the muscle car era, numbers didn't matter. The real power was always on the streets. Which of these underrated monsters is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.